Welcome back to another episode. Before we start, this video and all topics discussed are for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. We've just started day 5 of the project where, as a reminder, our goal is to reach $1 million over the next 5 years. In today's update, we'll go through June's dividends and HISA interest. We didn't close out any GICs this month, but we've got a few maturing in July, so we'll cover those next month. This month, we received interest from both our Canadian and US HISA, plus 4 dividends, 3 from ETFS, 1 from a Canadian company. Let's start with Vanguard VDY. This fund focuses on Canadian companies with the highest dividend yield, with its portfolio weighted heavily toward the financial sector, which makes up over half of its value. The dividend is paid monthly, and this month we received $30.24 for our 168 units held. The next 2 envelopes are ETFS from BlackRock iShares. XEI also targets high dividend income, but takes a more defensive approach by capping the maximum weight of any single sector. The main sectors are financials at roughly a third of the portfolio, energy not far behind at around 30%, utilities at about 13%, and communication services making up around 7 to 8%. In this envelope, we have $35.10 for 300 shares held. Next up is XEQT, which focuses on maximum capital growth and global diversification, investing in thousands of companies worldwide. Its sector structure mirrors the global economy, making it a fund built for long-term wealth building. XEQT pays dividends quarterly, and June's dividend brought us $64.40. The next envelope is interest from the money we're temporarily holding in our high-interest savings account. Part of it is in US dollars and part in Canadian dollars. Combined, that's $55.30. The last envelope is the quarterly dividend from TELUS. I probably don't need to introduce TELUS. It's one of the major players in the Canadian telecom market. The company hasn't had the best run lately, and unfortunately, its share price has dropped quite a bit in recent months. We're holding 600 shares, which brought in $250.80. To sum up, the portfolio grew in June from dividends and interest by a total of $435.84. It's not exactly a huge amount given the capital I'm working with, but June was still a very passive month, and we didn't do anything aggressive. I invite you to check out my next video where I'll go over why I believe a financial crisis is getting closer and why I'm starting to accumulate cash right now, like some other investors are doing. We'll be trying out some short trades on a few stocks, but overall, over the next few months, I want to build up as much cash as possible from maturing GICs, and we'll see where that takes us. Make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along and see how it goes.